In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add signatures or ads in WordPress posts. Signatures can help establish a personal brand by consistently including a logo, name, or tagline at the end of each post. This is common for bloggers, writers, or content creators who want to build a recognizable identity. For this functionality, you need to install the Insert Post Ads plugin first. I've already installed it and activated it, but in case you need help in installing the plugin, we've shared a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. And once done, hover over Post Adverts and click on Post Adverts. Now, simply click on Add a new post. Add the advert title over here. This title is primarily for your reference, making it easier to track and manage multiple advertisements on your website. So I'll name it as Sign. The advert code typically contains the visual elements of the ad, such as images, texts, links, and any tracking or analytics scripts. I'll simply add a sign over here, and now you can configure display advert settings. You can display it before the content, after the paragraph number, and after the content. It's all up to you. Once selected, click on Publish, and you can see the advert has been successfully published. Now you need to select where you want to display your ads. So go to the Settings page, check and uncheck the box here as per your requirement. Once done, click on Save Settings, and now let's check the plugin in action. When moving to the post, you can see the signature over here. And this is how easy it is to add signatures or ads in WordPress posts. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.